How's it going? This is a video of the Clinton Machine Company vintage engine winch for the trailer. So all the parts have been disassembled. This is the gear reduction set, governor, crank. It's all been cleaned. I was going to paint this, but anyways, I got some assembly glue. I'm going to show you some stuff outside. Hold on. Got to throw in some 49 truck glove box and ashtray, but there's the gas tank. We got a blowout, so we're going to use that. Paint this. It was green, so we're going to paint it green. This is all the stuff. Let's sandblast everything. There you go.